Trust Wallet interface explained. I'm going to show you guys how to navigate Trust Wallet as well as use the tools on Trust Wallet to your advantage. If you're new to the page, my name is HM Crypto and my job is to provide you with crypto tutorials. So let's get started. All right, Trust Wallet, Trust Wallet. All right. So right now we're starting in our interface right now. We have see the tokens. Right now I have High Street token, Wolf Trade, Ariva. Those are my personal investments, not financial advice, by the way. So we're gonna start right here on the bell tab. So we click on the bell. That's where we get notifications whenever a price increases or something relevant to Trust Wallet. So and then we have our send tab. So if you haven't seen my video on the crypto withdrawal whitelist, you could check that out. It's in my playlist as well as in the description below, as well as my Coinbase video too. I'll show you that as well, how I send and receive crypto. All right, so right now I'm at the send tab. I have my High Street token. I could choose to send it to a respective address. You see the BB20, whatever BB20 High Street token address on another exchange, I can send it over there. So that's great, as well as the receive. I can receive as well. You see, I can receive the same token or any token listed there as long as it's the corresponding address. All right, so then we have buy. So usually the main tokens are listed on here. Right now you see Polygon, Smart Chain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, you know, the top tier tokens, as well as Axie Infinity. That's the top play to earn game in the crypto space right now, the highest in market cap rise, as well as the community. So you can choose to buy when you click on Smart Chain, which is the native token on Trust Wallet. You could buy through MoonPay. MoonPay is basically it's just an app you can choose to buy crypto on. Bank of America is really good with this, but Citibank is not as effective. So make sure you choose your banks wisely when you use your card on this. All right, so we can go back, and then we can select on swap. So as you see, swap right now, I can swap my BNB, my Smart Chain BNB, which is the BB20, to regular BNB, which is BP2, and then or BP20. It says BP20, my mistake. And then you could choose Ethereum as well. So I can see I swap BP20. You can swap it to any token that has a BP20 address, or if you select on Ethereum, for example, or Polygon. See, whatever has an ERC address, we can swap it to that. So we can select Alliance Block, and there we go. All right, so let's also go to the exchange as well. So this is like a spot exchange. So you know how they have pairs like USD. Say if you're trading, you know, like currencies, regular currencies, you have USD and the euro paired. This is like this. So Trust Wallet is paired with BNB on this, but you could select other tokens as well. You can buy and sell them through the spot. So let's select on Trust Wallet. See, there we go. AVA BNB, AWC BNB, AXPR BNB, and so on and so forth. So you have those pairs as well. All right, let's go back. Now we're going to select NFTs. So for those of you who don't know what NFTs are, these are non-fungible tokens. They're in a growth phase right now. Well, right now since the market's on a downtrend, they're in a downward phase, but people know more about NFTs than they ever did before. So the value it's kind of speculative at this point because most NFTs, let's be honest, are worthless. The only ones you want to invest in is one that has tangible value, when you could get a service for, or you know, some kind of utility. So you can see NFTs right here. This is an OpenSea. This is just an ad I have. I don't have any NFTs at the moment. So all right, so let's click up on the upper right hand corner. You can add cryptos as well. See right here, it says the main cryptos I have. But if you click plus, you see their address. I can select an Ethereum, Smart Chain, Tron, VeChain, CeeLo, or any token listed here. Paste the address and add it to my Trust Wallet interface. That's what I did with Ariva and High Street. So right now we're not going to do that, but you can add tokens you want to buy, or you know, if you see an opportunity you want to sell, you know, so on and so forth. So it's a lot of tools on here. Yeah, that's a custom token. All right, so next is our Discover tab. So right here you can discover stake cryptos that have staking potential. So let's click on, see Solana APR 6.45. That's a bit more reasonable than Osmosis, because Osmosis before was 65%. but now it's 54% right now. So I don't. I'm sure they're not. It's not sustainable in terms of staking. But let's go to stake that. Let's see stake. So the minimum time to stake is 14 days. You have to lock your staking protocol for 14 days, and then you can select your minimum amount. That's the minimum amount you're allowed to stake. So whenever you stake on here, you see Jabby. These are the validators. So you stake on nodes. Nodes are computer software that validates the network's transaction history. So you can get basically whenever you do a transaction, it validates it, and then you get rewarded for staking the protocol. So they click on Jabby. See, they have all kinds of nodes by girls, sentinels, all kinds of different kinds of communities with node hosts. So all right, so let's go back. Next, we're going to go on our dApps. This is basically, if you ever gone on Chrome or Microsoft Edge, this is basically what it is. It's browsing. It's a search browser. So see how they have suggested dApps already. So this one is for NFTs, new dApps, newly additions to the Trust Wallet. I searched OpenSea because I was curious on what NFT was in my wallet address. So let's see, DeFi, Venus, Beefy. So PancakeSwap, we're going to work with PancakeSwap in the video coming after this one. So I'm excited to show you guys that. Popular, and then Smart Chain, and then Apollo X. That's the Smart Chain dApps. And then you have yield farming dApps, games, exchanges, PancakeSwap. That's the popular one. And so on and so forth. So let's just see what it looks like. So we click on PancakeSwap. Takes us to the Smart Chain network by default. You also have networks too when you search on the dApps. So PancakeSwap belongs to B20 dApp, search history, Smart Chain. You have Ethereum, which is Uniswap, CeeLo, and all kinds of different ones you can choose to go on to. A lot of options on Trust Wallet. All right, so let's click that X, go back. All right, now we're gonna go to our settings now. You see our settings. We have the name of this wallet is multi-coin wallet because I have that's the default name, and I haven't given it a proper name yet, so I'm just gonna leave it as that. Then we have our mode, of course. I like the dark mode; it looks better than the plain mode that you have by default. And then you have your security. This is what your passcode. So you can set a passcode for your Trust Wallet, just like on Crypto.com. You have a 6-digit passcode. You could choose that for this as well. And then you have your notifications, preferences, and then your price alerts. So whatever your price alert, you could just click on your crypto. Hold on, let me show you how that looks. So you see Ethereum. You can click on the chart above and then select the blue this right here. By default, it will be grayed out, but you can select it and then you'll be alerted every time Ethereum makes a decent size move. So you could choose you could choose how you want to operate on that. Very exciting stuff. And then you have your website explorer, CoinMarketCap, and then I'm not gonna go into too deep on that one. And then you have your help center, Wallet Connect. So Wallet Connect is for, by default, if you have an Android, the Trust Wallet is a lot easier. But for some reason iPhone, they don't have. You have to use Wallet Connect whenever you want to connect to a dApp. So it's inconvenient, unfortunately, but it is what it is, So you have your help center, these are essential for the crypto community, especially if you're getting started. But most cryptos, Trust Wallet has your help center. Most cryptos and projects have a Twitter, Telegram. Some have a Facebook, but most have a Reddit. And they also have a community on the YouTube page. So very excited stuff. And also the about. So you could see that. And then you can rate this app on the market. So that's it, guys. So if you got value out of this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, hit that notification to share this video for somebody who's just getting started to crypto. So it's always good to see people continuing on their crypto journey. Oh yeah, check the links below too. I'll post it in the description and you can see it on the face of the computer screen. All right, so that's about it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to continue to build your foundation, and I'll see you at the top. Take care, guys. Have a good one.